everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a coffee filter bouquet, which will be available as a take and make kit at the Youth Services desk in the Bay County Public Library. In every kit, you're going to find 4 pipe cleaners, 4 coffee filters, and a ribbon. You will also need water and washable markers. As with every coffee filter craft we've done so far, we are going to start by flattening out our coffee filter, and then we are going to color it. Today I'm going to be using Crayola washable markers, and I'm just going to color mine in some pinks and purples, but you can choose whatever colors you like. You want to do a lot of the space so you get the most color. You can do the other side if you want a more vibrant color, but today I think I'm going to go for more of a pastel look, so I'm just going to do the one side. Then you're going to repeat that for the next 3 coffee filters. And once you've done all of those, you're going to begin the process of wetting them so they look like watercolors. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray my coffee filter down. You can use a spray, you can use a water dropper, or you can do a gentle pour of water over yours, whatever you have on hand. So I'm just gonna take mine, I'm going to spray until I see the colors start to move around a little. And I wanna really saturate the whole thing. And then it'll look something like this. You're gonna set that aside and let that dry. I have some coffee filters that I prepared earlier because it takes about a couple hours, maybe less, for them to dry. So I have some here and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do once we have dry coffee filters. What I'm gonna start by doing is I'm gonna take my coffee filter and I am going to fold it in half, and then I'm gonna fold it in half again till I have this shape. Once I have this shape, I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to pinch the bottom till I get a nice tip like this. And then I'm going to fluff the edges until I think it looks like a nice flower. So like this is how I want my flower to look, so that's good with me. And then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and I'm going to wrap it around this tip base part of the flower that we have created. So you're just going to take the pipe cleaner, wrap it around, and voila, you have a coffee filter flower. So we are going to repeat this process with the rest of the coffee filters. Okay, so now I have 4 coffee filter flowers that are gonna look like this. It's gonna look like a nice little bouquet. To finish it up, I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to tie it around so that they stay together. So I'm just going to do a simple little bow tie here. All right, and I have my bow tied, and now I have my beautiful spring bouquet made out of coffee filters. So these will be available as take and make kits in Youth Services at the Bay County Public Library while supplies last. Thanks for watching.